Hi, so we are now going to learn how to create a YouTube thumbnail image in Canva. Canva is a free tool that anybody can sign up for. So now I'm going to create a new design. Like after login, you will see a button here, create a design. Once you click on that, you can search here like YouTube, and now it is going to show you like what do you want to create, because it has specific size. You should like create the specific size also. So click on this. So once you have selected what size you want, it is going to take you to this builder area, and here you can see there are pre-made templates from where you can choose. So let's choose this one. For now, I'm going to create something related to property, so this template is suiting my needs. First of all, I'm going to edit the text. I'll add my complete text, and then I'll add my image and see if I need to make any changes to the design. I'll show you how to order the items, how to move setting like things backward or forward, how to change colors, add shapes, kind of things, while I'm making this thumbnail image for you. So now I'm going to take the text. Create Gush duplex 40. That's my text. This is very tight vertically, so I'm just going to give some line spacing so that it is spaced out properly. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on it and move it a little bit upward. And there is some extra space at the bottom which is making this box taller, which will make this like it will make it difficult to pick up this element if I want to. So I'm just gonna move it a little bit here so that J is also visible perfectly. These soothing shades of blue. Instead of this, I'm going to add some other text. Let's I am creating it for Indian audience, so I'm going to give it an Indian touch as well. And I'm going to translate the text. This is what I'm going to try to fit in that font here. Okay, so this the font family, it didn't pick up, but it still picked up the font. So I'm just going to stick with this. Okay. Now let's add some background color to it, and I'd prefer yellow because this color combination is looking good. So for that, we'll go to shapes. Here, element, lines and shapes. We can just drag and drop it to the page, and we can give it a color. Example is yellow. I'm going to pick it and put it here. And now I'm going to change the color of this text. So for that, we need to click here and select the text. So it says Pyara Sagar. This blue box. Let's see if we can increase the size. Okay. Now I want to like add the image of the flat here. So let's You can simply click on this image and click delete, and now we are going to add another image. So let's go to uploads. We don't have that image here, so I'm going to take that image. Maybe this one. Yeah, this is the one. So this is the home that we are trying to sell at. So I'm going to just put the image here. It should show more of the like house as well. So I'm going to make it like this. And this here I'm just putting it here for now. I need also like a phone number. So I'm just going to put it here. Copy the phone numbers. Let's make this upper, align it. Let's see what it does. Okay, this is too busy for this screen. I'm gonna go like this. I think I'm gonna get rid of that arrow, and this will be good to go. I think this is good to go. And I have another video that shows how to upload this kind of thumbnail to a YouTube video. But first, let me show you how to export it. So for exporting this complete panel, you go to share, and you can go to download, and you can select the format. So for me, I just need this particular size, so I'm just going with 1x. You can go with 2x, 3x kind of things to depending upon what size you need. But for the YouTube thumbnail, this size is okay. So I'm just going to download it. Okay, so this is it in my computer. For checking it, how to upload it in the YouTube video, I have created a video that I'll be sharing the link in description box. Do check that if you need to. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.